ஏய் ஆன் பண்ணிடலாம். கரெக்டாக வரணும்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
இந்த சைடு.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the big day. To think about how fast life we are and how fast we have to go. Along with much time struggle and pride, there is much more to write and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey. This establishment we had at Pune. Let's raise the goal to make it even better. Let us take a walk.
Sun beam on the height, castles on the height, deserts on the side, rainbow like kaleidoscopic eyes, excellent mystic to make your threads light. We prepared for your expectations to surmise. I bet with no desire, once you see Founders Day, it would be hard to bid goodbye.
Mereka tahu tak?
Happy morning. Namaste. And a warm welcome to one and all present over here. Please be seated, ma'am. Education is not an acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character.
We roll down a red carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries, invitees, and of course our faculty. It's an honor that this beautiful audience has gathered here to make this morning extraordinary. The luminaries of the day are here. On the dais is our visionary chairman, Sri Valiappan Chettiar, our honorable trustee, Mr. V. Subramaniam, our respected vice president, Mr. Sugavaneshwar, beloved principal, Mr. Balasubramanian, our beloved CBSE principal, Mrs. Arul Mary Sophia Rani, and our lovable vice principal, Mrs. Vinita. We welcome you, sirs and ma'am.
Here we have the leading lights on the stage.
Today is a special day. How lovely this day, and so does the ambience and aura surrounding it. Soon the colors of this merriment will unfold and will transpose us to another world. Thank you all for giving your valuable and prized time.
I, Akmal Jahan, with my co-host Vishnu Priya, once again welcome you all on behalf of whole Kamala Subramanian family on this 31st Founders Day celebrations. Let's stand for prayer song. God answers every prayer. When the idea is not right, God says no. When the time has not right, God says slow. We have good plans for ourselves, but God has better plans for us. So let us join together to bow down in worship of the Lord. The saving grace. May I request you to rise for the prayer song.
Thank you so much. And may I
and respect to our guests who had adorned this morning.
We would like to grab this opportunity to tell them that it is our honor and privilege to have them here. Now, I wish to call upon our beloved CBSE Principal, Mrs. Arul Mary Sophia Rani, to deliver welcome address. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all gathered here. I am profoundly honored to get the opportunity today to welcome the galaxy of intellects on behalf of Kamala Subramaniam Group of Institutions. We have all gathered on this 31st Founders Day event of our institution to celebrate our success and to be grateful for our fortune. The reason behind today's celebration is the success of this institution for the past years, and I am grateful to everyone's contribution that played a role in bringing greatness to this institution. I take pride in welcoming our Honorable Chairman, Mr. S.P. Valliyappa Chettiar, able administrator, a great visionary who has committed himself in a great way for the growth of education, tower of strength, a man of serenity, simplicity and sincerity. Our warm welcome to you, sir. Welcome, sir. It's my pleasure welcoming our trustee, Mr. V. Subramaniam, the multi-talented personality who shows his interest and care towards sports activities and encourages our staff towards it. We welcome you, sir, even you are not here. It's time to welcome the young, energetic and dynamic person, our Vice President, Mr. A.D. Sugavaneshwar, who focuses in creating all of us with a vision, humanizes their lives by integrating emotional demands with a new knowledge. Welcome, sir. I extend my heartfelt welcome to Mr. Balasubramaniam, Head of School Matriculation, Mrs. Vinitha, Vice Principal Matriculation, and Mr. S. Mohan Raj, Sports Officer. Welcome you all. It's my pleasure welcoming all the teaching and non-teaching faculties who have made their presence here. Welcome you all. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. When we get to the end of all the light, and it's time to step into the darkness of the unknown. Faith is knowing that one of the two things shall happen. Either you will be given something solid to stand on, or you will be taught how to fly. Now, I wish to call upon our visionary chairman, Mr. Valliyappa Chettiar, sir, to light the lamp. Please, sir.
இதானே கிட்ட சரிஞ்சிட்டு வரோம் இப்படி
Next, I wish to call upon our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Subramaniam, to light the lamp. Please, sir. Next, I wish to call upon our respected Vice President, Mr. Sugavaneshwar, to light the lamp. Please, sir. Next, I wish to call upon our beloved Principal, Mr. Balasubramaniam, to light the lamp. Please, sir. Next, I wish to call upon our beloved CBSE Principal, Mrs. Arul Mary Sophia Rani, to light the lamp. Please, ma'am. Next, I wish to call upon our lovable Vice Principal, Mrs. Vinitha, to light the lamp. Please, ma'am. Next, I wish to call upon Mr. Morgan to light the lamp. Please, sir. Next, I wish to call upon Mrs. Alamedu to light the lamp. Please, ma'am. Next, I wish to call upon Mrs. Madhyarasi to light the lamp. Please, ma'am. Next, I wish to call upon Mr. Thirinyanam to light the lamp. Please, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you all. The success of any school can be measured by the contribution of the alumni. We feel proud to say that we have registered 1,000 alumni within 3 weeks. We acknowledge the presence of our ancient chairman, Sri Vallabhan Chettiar, who is a noble man with a character of great heights, a prophecy of distinctness, and an originator of multifarious rotation. Sir, you have made our society proud with all the great endeavors taken over time. It's a great pleasure to call you for uploading our alumni promo video in social media. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request our beloved principal, Mr. Balasubramanian, to step forward for annual report. Please, sir.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Trustee Sir, respected Vice President Sir, dear Sophia Ma'am, dear Vinita Ma'am, dear Mohan Sir, dear teaching and non-teaching of both the schools, supporting staff, good morning to you all. It is my great pleasure to present the annual report for the academic year 2020-21. Academic achievements. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any good institution. I am happy to share the academic performances for the year 2019-20. We have achieved 10% pass in 10th standard, 11th standard and the 12th standard common examinations respectively. All the credit goes to the teachers and the management who are the backbone of this institution. In standard 12, A. Anushree has secured first place with 576 out of 600 marks. R.C. Iniam and VPS Tushita shared second mark with 574 out of 600 marks. S. Sabarinath has secured the school third with 569 out of 600 marks. The centum scorer in commerce is R.C. Iniam. The centum scorer in economics and accountancy is V. Anushree. In 11th standard, J. Preetika has secured first place with 567 out of 600 marks. Yes, Hariprasanna has secured second place with 557 marks out of 600. And D. Nandini has secured third place with 552 out of 600 marks. The centum scorer in computer science is Hariprasanna. The centum scorer in computer application is S. Preeti. In 10th standard, S. Hasana Bhatima has secured first place with 489 out of 500 marks. S. Sushma Nivas secured the second place with 487 out of 500 marks. The third place is bagged by P. Joshika with 480 out of 500 marks. Even during the pandemic period of COVID-19, our school has started the online classes. Our school has started online classes for 10th and 12th standard on 5/5/2020 through the Next Education supplement. We have extended the online classes for 7th to 9th standard on 10/6/2020 through Google Meet. Again, we have added the online classes for 1st standard to 5th standard on 25/6/2020. Then it is extended to 6th standard on 6/7/2020 and 11th standard on 24/8/2020. For pre-KG, we have started online classes from 7/9/2020. Now, the online classes are continued in our school from KG to 8th standard. The remaining classes from 9th standard, 12th standard, they are coming to the school and attending the physical classes. Alumni Association. This year, we have initiated a database for Alumni Association of Kamala Moving Group of Institutions, and we have received so far, within this short interval, we have received more than 1,500. It is very remarkable increase. And it is the notification that if you try in the proper way, then it can be converted into the admission. If we have the 1,500 admission for our school, and that is the motto of all the groups. Therefore, we hope so. So we will do the necessary steps to get the more admission for the group of institutions. CR, the system implementation, adaptability, accountability and responsibility. We have introduced the EEP program on 18/12/2020. And we have inaugurated the CR model for metric and CBSE teachers on January 7/2021. The English enhancement program is practiced by our teachers successfully. It will be implemented to the students from next week onwards. So I thank the management and the teachers and all the supporting staff for giving me this opportunity to present the annual report. Even though we are in the COVID period, very pandemic period, the management has consent our request and they have allowed us. In no school is having any such functions, but even then our management has consent our request and they have given the permission. And on behalf of every one of us and the main initiative of our Vice President is taking all steps, the necessary steps, and make this day a grand success. So on behalf of every one of us, I take this opportunity to thank our management and the Vice President. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we acknowledge the talent of our lovable faculty who have been struggling and facing many challenges and difficulties to bring pioneers. In fact, that's all because of their own perseverance, consistency and immovability that they are creating champions. To felicit the prize of achievers, I would like to call our visionary chairman, Mr. Valliyappan Chettiar, the dignitaries on dais, to step forward to distribute the awards to position holders. Please, sir. Over to Mrs. Priyadashini.
Time to honor our teachers. Here is a small gesture of love and gratitude. May I now request our esteemed chairman, Sri Valliyappan Chettiar, to honor the faculty. Please, sir. Mrs. N. Madhyarasi, who has produced centum marks in accountancy of class 12.
வாங்கும்போது கரெக்டாக
Mrs. S. Kamala, who has produced centum marks in economics of class 12. Mrs. M. Hamila Jennifer, who has produced centum marks in commerce of class 12. Mrs. A. Akmal Jahan, who has produced center marks in computer science of class 12. Give them a big round of applause. Next, I wish to implore our Vice President, Mr. Subramanieshwar, to take his honor from our Chairman, Sri Valliyappan Chettiar. Please, sir. Mrs. V. Kavita, who has produced center marks in computer science of class 12. Mrs. A. Akmal Jahan, who has produced center marks in computer science of class 11. Mrs. V. Kavita, who has produced center marks in computer application of class 11. Let me call upon our Honorable Chairman, Sri Valliyappan Chettiar, to felicitate our teachers with the special award. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we acknowledge the talent. Here comes Mr. Rajesh to receive an award for Kaniyan Pungundranar in the state level speech competition on Tamil literature organized by Research Center for Sangam Literature. He is also receiving Perundaraiva Kamaraja Virudu organized by Patrician Arts and Science College, Chennai. I am very happy to announce that Mrs. Madhyarsi, our colleague, is going to receive Kalvi Chemmal Virudu from our chairman, Sri Valliyappan Chettiar sir. Over to Vishnupriya.
Excellence is not being the best. It is doing your best. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Leaders are made by hard efforts.
Thank you, sir. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. A gem of KSMS who needs no introduction. A very notable human being who is fond of students' welfare and the personality development. Being a simple man, he rose to the commendable position in our school. Is none other than our inspirable Vice President, Mr. Subramanieshwar, to bring today's function a good success.
Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Thiru Valliyappan Chettiar, to honor our Vice President, Mr. Subramanieshwar, on the stage with a shout. His encouraging words always helps us to learn more. Thank you, sir.
A person of incredible, significant leader who managed to change his school to the next level. Yes, it's none other than our beloved principal, Mr. Balasubramanian. A well-known personality in Punjab who possesses the very strong charismatic leadership quality. He gave continuous self-leadership for the past 2 years in our school. We teachers and all our supporting staff are very proud and honored to work under his guidance. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. A man who lays a strong foundation in academics which enlightens our career and he being a path to overcome in all our hurdles.
Hard work and positive attitude with a mesmerizing smile. Yes, now we would like to share a few things about our CBSE principal, Mrs. Arul Mary Sophia Rani. Her vision, wisdom and passion are apparent every single moment. Like Queen of Chess, she plays her role perfectly. We are really thankful to her for the concerns towards the staff in this pandemic situation. She is a pioneer for us. Never give up his responsibility in both home and school. We proudly say that our CBSE principal holds the certificate of achievement for outstanding leadership of the academic year 2019-20 from International Education Symposium and Awards 2019.
we request our trustee sir to give a token of love to our principal. Beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's having a pretty mind, a pretty heart and a pretty soul. And energetic women who turn around our school like a honeybee to build a character and inspire us through her creativity and encourage ourselves confident to survive in this modern world. She is our dynamic vice principal, Mrs. M. Vinita. She is very supportive and friendly towards our teachers and students. In the short span of time, she wins our hearts. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Over to Priyadashini.
Again, I request our Honorable Chairman, Sri Valliyappan Chettiar, to take the floor to honor our faculty. Please, sir. Teachers are requested to come on by.
சுற்றி போய் டக்குன்னு கேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க இப்படி போங்க ஐயோ ரெண்டெல்லாம் மேனேஜ் பண்ணவே முடியாது நீங்கள் போய் எடுத்துகிட்டு வாங்க வாங்கிட்டு வாங்க
I request Mrs. Kalevani to give a speech.
First of all, thanks for this opportunity to share my memories as one of the oldest student of KSMS. From 6th to 12th, I have studied here. I saw many teachers where I take subjects. Subject teachers are here: history, geography, Tamil, English. I saw many teachers. Thank you, teachers. It's really very proud to stand in front of you, sir. Thank you so opportunity, sir. Thank you. First, KSMS. KSMS gave me a support in sports and also in academic side. For sports, I achieved many places in volleyball, and also I'm a volleyball player. Thank you, sir. And in academic side also they gave me a big support. They have split the badges. For the academic also they have split the badges, and they gave much more support for us to study. So from 6th standard onwards, I saw that Subramaniam sir gave a rank card to all the first 3 rank holders. I saw that I also want to get the certificate, rank card. So I really very enthusiastic by seeing that, and I also got the good rank and I got certificate from the sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you. And main thing I want to share you is I refuse to step up to the stage because of fear. Fear is one of the part I have up to 10th standard. By the great legend, Jugan sir came as a bridges, as a personality development. He only motivated me to stand in front of all the dais and to talk. Thank you, sir. Really, very, very thank you, sir. And now I'm standing as a teacher of KSCS, CBSE. As a maths teacher, I'm standing there. And we are creating an alumni group. It's really very, very useful, and it's creating a new connection between our old student. It's really good. And it connects our past memories for the present and for the future students. And it creating a friendship and love. And it is our Kamala family, we are creating that. It is really moving in such a super way, and it is cherish our knowledge. And we got a career guidance also for the present and the future students. So, and also we are going to do the annual get together. We are going to do everything with that alumni group. And so as an alumni student, I'm really very happy to share these things. Very thank you, sir. Thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, ma'am, for your excellent words. Our abilities will not be measured by the building we built, the institution we established, or what